Confused between A and an? The secret is the sound, not the letter. Here's how to check. Vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. Before vowel sounds, we use an. For example, an apple, an egg, an R. Consonant sounds always take A before them. Consonant sounds are all other sounds except A, E, I, O, U. For example, a book, a cat, a university. Did you notice something? When we wrote an R, though it is starting with a consonant, we used an. That's because there is a silent H and R begins with the sound R. Hence, we use an before it. Same way, we used a before university, though it's starting with a vowel. But when we pronounce it, the pronunciation comes to Y-double-O, university. Hence, Y is a consonant sound and that's why we use A before it. Tell me in comments, is it a MBA or an MBA?